Alright guys, here is the next morning and open up my cupboard here. Let's see how the bug is doing. You can see it's foamed up a little bit on top of the bottles there, and we'll see. This has been about 12 hours like I said. Oh yeah, whoa, crazy. So obviously plenty of sugar, plenty of bug, temperature is plenty warm. This is 76 in there right now. Air temperature, but the mat here you can feel is pretty warm. And this went really crazy in 12 hours. You can hear it pop there. So this stuff is ready to go in the fridge. Look at that. That's awesome. So yeah, this batch worked really well. It was a lot of bug for a relatively small batch. I'll use that same amount of bug in about a double-sized batch sometimes, so that may have affected it. It made it really take off like this, but worked awesome. So there you go, from ginger to ginger beer. So we'll put that in the fridge and give it a try later. So have fun.